So I'm Ray from Ray Construction. I've been building houses for 35 years. I'd like to just give you a little bit about how this all started. We had this major renovation job and I run the framing crew and everything. So we were measuring each stud, each piece of wood with a tape measure. And they were 9-foot, 10-foot ceilings and we couldn't get accurate measurements because the tape measure was, bending on us. I was trying to read a curve that was like 10 feet up in the air and I had no idea what it was. So the whole process of that was frustrating me, so I said to one of the older carpenters working, I said, there's got to be a better way than this. And he's there, I've been in construction 50 years. He goes, this is the way we do it. And I remember saying to him, which was Doug, I said, we'll see about that. So I went, I got a survey stick, so I put a stick-on tape on it. They were giving me feedback to saying, that's a great idea, Ray. So what I did is I started, designing it more, and my brother-in-law is a woodworker, so I went into his shop and we made this version right here. I'm German descent, so I called up the family in Germany and I said, is there anybody in the family that's an engineer? So we were talking. And he said, can you come to Germany? I said, yeah. So I brought this to Germany. Didn't know that tool business, everything's done on CAD and computer drawings now. So, we went over and he went to the place in Thalheim, Germany called Schubel, and they do, they're a prototype shop. So they called me and they said, Ray, we feel that the best fit for you is to go with a tool company, a specialty tool company called Ox Tools. I said I agreed to do that. John Cunningham, the CEO of Ox Tools, calls me and says, Ray, I'm going to drive over and meet you. I said, are we meeting halfway? He goes, no, I'll drive up and we'll talk. So that's how I got involved with Ox. So, we made a deal together. So the Ox Tool Company took over, and I've been working with their designers, and I had an idea of how I wanted the tool to look, and they had their ideas also. And they came up with this model right here, right? So from this to the one I made morphed into this.